Right now, a small group of beginners is quietly copying the exact formula behind channels that pull millions of views a month. And they're doing it with one AI tool, in under an hour, without showing their face or touching an editing timeline. Today, I'll hand you their exact workflow, step by step. Stay for the last step. That's where it actually comes together. Here's the part most people won't admit. Most faceless channels die in the first 30 days. Not because the creator is lazy, because nobody gave them a system. So they guess, the hook, the script, the visuals, the thumbnail. And guessing is expensive. The creators who actually grow, they don't guess. They model what's already proven. That's what we're doing here, and AI is going to do most of the heavy lifting. 5 steps. Follow them in order, and by the end, you'll have a full video ready to publish. Let's start. Step 1, ideation. Every viral channel starts with one thing, a winning idea. Not a random idea, a proven idea that is already working on YouTube right now. So in this first step, we are going to let Claude AI generate those ideas for us. But not just any ideas, ideas modeled after channels that are already crushing it. And here is how to do it. Head over to Claude and create a free account. You don't need the paid plan to start. The free version gives you more than enough. No downloads, no complicated setup. Everything runs right inside your browser. Now comes the most important part of this entire system. Once you're signed in, open a new chat and paste this master prompt. This is the engine of the whole workflow. Hit send. In a few moments, Claude asks you which channel you want to model. Pick any faceless channel that is performing well in a niche you actually enjoy, Stickman Finance videos, 3D explainer animations, Bible stories, AI-powered animation channels, anything. Copy the channel URL from YouTube and paste it to Claude. Next, Claude asks for video transcripts. This is the step most people skip, and it is the one that separates amateurs from pros. Go back to the channel, click popular videos, open one of the top performers. Scroll under the description and click show transcript. Copy the full transcript, paste it into Claude. Do this for 2 or 3 more videos and hit send. Now Claude has the full DNA of that channel, the hooks, the packing, the storytelling, everything. Claude then hands you 10 fresh video ideas, all in the same style as the channel you modeled. Pick the one that excites you the most. And that's step 1 done. You have your golden idea. But an idea alone is worthless without a script that keeps people watching. That is exactly where step 2 comes in. Step 2, script writing. A great idea will get people to click, but the script is what keeps them glued to the screen. And this is where most faceless channels fall apart. They have decent ideas but boring scripts, no hook, no curiosity, no retention loops. Lucky for us, Claude already has everything it needs to write a winning script. It studied the channel, it learned the pattern, it knows what works. So once you pick your idea in step 1, send it back to Claude. In a few moments, Claude drafts a full video script in under 60 seconds, matching the exact tone, packing, and flow of the channel you modeled. It nails the hook. It includes retention loops every 30 seconds. It builds curiosity throughout, and it ends with a clear call to action. You just got a script that would cost $300 from a freelancer. Read it one more time. Make tiny edits if you want to add your own voice. Then copy the final version into a fresh Google Doc and save it. And that's it, your script is done, that's step 2. However, a script sitting in a Google Doc isn't a video. You need visuals, not just any visuals. You need cinematic, AI-generated visuals that make your channel look like $1 million production. That's the next step, and this is where things get really fun. Step 3, create visuals. This step makes people stop scrolling. Strong visuals are the difference between a channel that grows fast and a channel that dies at 40 subscribers. Here's how we handle it. Back in Claude, the system will ask you to generate image prompts that match the reference channel's style. It will then ask you to drop a screenshot of some videos of the channel. These are just screenshots of the kind of images or scenes the channel you modeled actually uses. Go back to that channel, open a few of their videos, take 5 to 10 screenshots that capture the visual style, the characters, the backgrounds, the colors, the overall vibe. Upload all those screenshots to Claude and type images attached. Here is a pro tip: do not copy their style exactly, add your own twist. Go more 3D, more cinematic, more pixel art, whatever feels fresh. That way, your channel stands out instead of looking like a copy. Claude studies the screenshots and reverse engineers the visual style. Then it generates around 20 detailed image prompts, one for every scene in your script. Now open Google Flow, the tool we are going to use for every single visual in this video. It is free to start, it runs in your browser, and it gives you access to the two most powerful AI models on the market right now: Nano Banana 2 for images, Veo 3 for video animations. Let's start with the images. Create a new project in Google Flow. Switch the model to Nano Banana 2. Grab your first image prompt from Claude and paste it in. Before you hit generate, do this one little trick. Upload a reference image first, something that shows your main character or the core visual style you want to lock in. This keeps every single image consistent across your whole video. Same character, same face, same colors, same world. Now hit generate. Within seconds, Nano Banana 2 creates a stunning image that matches your prompt and your reference. Download it. Repeat for every prompt Claude gave you. By the end, you will have every visual your script needs. Let's move now to the animations. Go back to Claude and ask for video prompts based on the image prompts. Claude takes every image prompt and converts it into a cinematic video animation prompt. So every still image now has a matching motion prompt. Back in Google Flow, switch the model to Veo 3. Upload the image you just generated as your base. Paste the matching video prompt. Hit generate. Veo 3 brings that still image to life. Camera movement, character motion, atmosphere, depth. It looks like something out of a high-budget animation studio. Do this for every scene. You will have a full cinematic video library. No cameras, no animators, no editors, just Google Flow doing the heavy lifting. That's step 3. Your visuals are locked in, but moving pictures with no voice is just a silent movie, and nobody watches silent movies anymore. So in step 4, we give your channel a voice that sounds so human, viewers will swear it's you. Step 4, generate voiceover. A voice is what gives your channel its personality. It's what makes viewers connect. It's what turns a random video into a brand. And the best part, you don't have to record a single word yourself. Head over to ElevenLabs. It's the best AI voice tool on the internet right now. The free plan gives you more than enough to get started. Create a free account. Once you are in, click on the text-to-speech option on your dashboard. Now grab the script you saved in step 2. Copy the entire thing, paste it into the ElevenLabs text box. Next, pick your voice. ElevenLabs gives you dozens of built-in voices: male, female, young, deep, calm, energetic. Pick one that matches the vibe of your channel. Here's a pro tip. If you modeled a fast, energetic channel, pick a confident young voice. If you modeled a storytelling or documentary channel, pick a deeper, slower voice. The voice you choose sets the entire mood of your video, so don't rush this choice. Once you've picked your voice, press generate. In about 30 seconds, ElevenLabs delivers a voiceover that sounds like a real human. No robotic tone, no weird pauses, just clean, professional audio. Download the MP3 file. Save it in the same folder as your script and your visuals. Now you have everything you need: script, images, animations, voiceover, all generated with AI, all ready to become a full video. Now it's time to assemble everything together into a finished video your audience will actually watch. Stay with me. Step 5, assembling everything together. This is the final step, the best part of the whole process. Open CapCut, it's free. It works on desktop and mobile, and it's built for beginners. If you've never edited a video before, don't stress. I'll walk you through the exact flow. Start with your voiceover. Drag the MP3 file from ElevenLabs into the CapCut timeline. This is your foundation. Every visual you add from now on follows the voiceover. Next, add your visuals. Drag every image and every animation you created in Google Flow into the media panel. Then drop them onto the timeline, one by one in the order your script follows. Match every visual to the exact moment the voiceover mentions it. If the voice says, "Let me show you something crazy," you cut to the crazy visual right there. Keep your cuts fast, a new visual every 3 to 5 seconds. This is what keeps viewers glued to the screen. Long, static shots kill retention, fast cuts save it. Then layer the sound design. Add a soft background music track, lo-fi, tech, or cinematic works great. Keep the volume low, around 15 to 20%, so it doesn't fight the voiceover. Sprinkle in sound effects on transitions, whooshes, clicks, dings, small details that make your video feel professional. Finally, add light transitions, fade, mix, swipe, quick glitch. But don't overdo it. One transition every 10 to 15 seconds is plenty. Export at 1080p, 30 frames per second.
Picture this. It's Sunday night. Instead of thinking about the week ahead, you're replaying the same conversation in your head. The one where you finally tell your boss exactly what you think. You never say it out loud. You just lie there. Here's something most people don't realize. There's a specific dollar amount that determines whether that conversation stays a fantasy or actually happens. It's not $1 million. It's $50,000. If you've ever felt stuck in a job you're afraid to lose, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it helps you see your situation differently. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, your job isn't really a choice. It's a lifeline. You don't ask for the raise you deserve because the conversation feels too risky. You don't push back when your boss piles on extra work because pushing back feels like a risk you can't afford. You watch less qualified people get promoted and say nothing. Here's the uncomfortable truth. None of this is about your job. It's about your bank account. Your employer isn't just paying you a salary. They're renting your silence and your compliance. And most people never question this because they don't realize there's a number where the entire dynamic flips.
You just built a full faceless YouTube video. Script by Claude, visuals by Google Flow, voice by ElevenLabs, edit by CapCut. 100% AI powered, 0% on camera, and ready to upload. That's the system. That's the entire playbook. Now it's your move. Smash that subscribe button right now, because on this channel I drop one AI money-making system every single week. Miss one, and you miss a real opportunity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.